This is a demonstration of how the GFCI works, the ground fault circuit interrupter. And you can see I've got the demonstration board here. It's plugged into the wall behind me. And I've got a fuse in here for a little safety, added safety feature. And then I've got an on-off and switch. Right now it's off. You can see I've plugged in my extension cord with bare ends. And now this is a non-GFI protected circuit. So when I turn this on, now the circuit is live. And if I were to touch that, I'd get a pretty good jolt. Now if I run that current through this light bulb and back through the copper tube and then into the ground, or back to neutral I should say, I get this to light up. Now that could be a problem because for all anyone knows, that circuit, that current is actually going back through me into the ground or back to the circuit. Instead it's going through this copper pipe. So the GFI gets around that danger, and I'll show you how. I'm going to plug it into a GFI circuit now, which you can kind of see here. It's got the test and the reset button on it. This time the GFI measures the difference between the current going out and coming back in, the difference between the hot and the neutral. If there's a difference, it turns the circuit off for safety. So we'll do the same exact demonstration, but this time you'll notice that when the current does not come back through here, but instead goes through this copper tube and then back into neutral over here, that the circuit breaks, it turns it off right away. So let's see if we can make that happen. And hopefully you could hear that. It actually popped over here. You heard it snap, and the light bulb didn't even light because the instant that the neutral and the hot were at two different currents, it broke the circuit. So there's one way to demonstrate how a GFI works.